Hi everybody. Okay, so I just finished grading the last essay in our class. So I look like shit because I've been grading all day, but I couldn't let you guys go without trying to teach you one last thing, which is about just sort of how to what to do with titles of works, okay? Because this is something that I had to comment on in almost every essay. So I thought I would give you an example from my book. And so here is, the title of my book. Titles of longer documents, things that are published on their own, things that are published by themselves, are always in italics, okay? Or you can underline them, but nowadays we usually put them in italics. So that's my title. And I kind of pulled up this page because I have a lot of different documents that I'm looking at on this page, so I thought I would use it as an example. So here I'm looking at Coleridge's Rime of the Ancient Mariner, which was actually published independently as its own poem with a gloss. It was also published as part of the Lyrical Ballads. And so if I were referencing the one with the gloss, right, I would put it in italics, sorry. And if I were referencing the one that was published as part of the Lyrical Ballads, I would put it in quotation marks, if that makes any sense. And so here I'm referencing Biographia Literaria, which is a really, really long work by Coleridge. I'm putting it in italics. It was published independently. And here I get to writing about Edgar Allan Poe. And so I'm looking at his short stories. And so here I'm looking at Beatrice and the Telltale Heart. And because these are short stories, they were not published independently. They were published usually in magazines, actually. Berenice, I'm sorry, that's a typo. But anyway, because they were published independently, I am putting those into quotation marks, okay? And the same thing with like movies, okay? If a movie is published independently, you put it into quotation marks. The title TV sitcom, even though it might be really short, is published independently. Again, italics. Okay, so basically, if it's independently published, you put it in italics. If it's something that's shorter, like a poem that might be published in a collection, then you put it in quotation marks. All right, so hopefully that's helpful to you guys. I really enjoyed reading all of your papers. I have really enjoyed having you guys as a class, and I hope you all have a wonderful, relaxing holiday break. Bye.